Hello, I'm Jim Kelly with Saddle Point Systems, and I'm here to show you the Easyback Hardcover. It's a new way to do hardcover books. The traditional way is you have a one-piece hardcover like this. It's a hardboard covered with material. Usually you bind the inside of the document and you insert it. On this particular product that we carry, these end leaves, these release liners peel off and there's adhesive there, and that sticks to the outside of the book and it makes a hardcover. One of the drawbacks of this is that you have to have the right size hardcover depending on the thickness of the book. The Easyback gets around that, and the way it does that is by just doing two single covers, still completely finished. And the way it works is you take the inside that you want to have bound, you put one of the hardcovers on one side, one of the Easybacks on the other side, and then of course we need the Fastback Model 20 to bind these with. And they've developed a new cycle in the Model 20 for doing these Easyback covers. You push that in, it tells me it needs a medium strip for this particular size book. So there's a narrow, a medium, and a wide. There's a medium, we'll put that in. So one of the great advantages of this system is, rather than carrying all sorts of different kinds of hardcovers, different sizes, you're just carrying two covers and you can bind any size document up to 1.5 inches thick. So there it is bound. It builds a very nice looking book, hardcover. So I'll put that in the cooling rack and I'll show you one that's already been bound. And the new cycle makes this transition between the first page and the Easyback hardcover almost perfect on both sides. There's no gaps or bends or wrinkles. And you can see that the Easyback lays completely flat, so it makes for just a really nice hardcover book. If you want to decorate the cover, you can take a dust jacket like this one and wrap it around, and that does a very nice decoration on the hardcover book. Another option is you can foil print these Easyback covers or emboss them or deboss them. They take the embossing very well and foil stamping, and we do that. And a third method would be to use a full color copy on the front and maybe a clear cover with an Easyback hardcover on the back, so it's kind of a half of a hardcover. And the nice thing about it is it opens flat, and now you have a writing surface because of that hardcover back. And it also is a new look in hardcover binding. So that's the Easyback. We have more about it on our website. Thank you very much.